Hi, in this video we can see that how we can configure port in a Spring Boot application. So by default Spring Boot application 8080, we can see here we can manually change in application.properties. Now we can give here 8090. Now restart application and see which port is used for running this application. Now that's it. We are configuring application.properties 8090 and application will be started. So here we can add 8090. Now application continue working. So that's it. We can change in application.properties.